Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
This explanation will help you understand how the model answer successfully completes the task. If you haven't read the full response yet, you can pause the video now to review it. The response directly addresses all three required points from the prompt. First, the writer asks for details about the membership fees and also mentions family discounts. Next, they ask about the center's facilities, specifically the gym and pool. Finally, they ask how we can register and inquire about taking a tour before joining. The email is organized very clearly. It starts with a polite greeting and an opening sentence that states the purpose of the message. The questions are grouped into logical paragraphs, and it ends with a professional closing and sign-off. The tone is respectful and semi-formal, which is perfect for writing to a manager of a public center. To connect ideas, the writer uses simple and effective linking words like firstly, secondly, and finally. These words guide the reader through the questions smoothly. The answer also includes two excellent vocabulary words, convenient and specific. These words are precise and demonstrate a good command of English without being too complex. Let's review this sample response for option A to see what makes it effective. If you need more time to read it, you can pause the video now. The writer begins by clearly stating their choice. I am writing to support option A. They then give two strong reasons in separate paragraphs. The first reason is that a playground is essential for the many families in the city. The second reason is that an active playground makes the park feel more vibrant and welcoming for the whole community. The response also briefly mentions why the other option is less suitable, which strengthens the argument. The structure is excellent for a survey response. It has a clear introduction stating the choice, two body paragraphs explaining the reasons, and a short conclusion. The tone is polite and persuasive, which is appropriate for a community survey. The writer uses simple linking words like firstly, for example, and in addition, to connect their ideas smoothly. The vocabulary is easy to understand but includes two good stretch words, essential and vibrant. These words show a stronger command of English without being too difficult. Now let's look at why this response for option B is successful. Feel free to pause and read the full answer first if you haven't already. This response works well because it clearly states its preference right at the start. I would like to select option B, the creation of a community garden. It then provides two well-explained reasons in the body paragraphs. The first reason focuses on how a garden promotes a healthy lifestyle and education. The second highlights how a garden is a fantastic way to build a stronger community by bringing diverse people together. The answer is very well organized. It follows a classic structure with an introduction, two paragraphs for support, and a concluding sentence. This makes the writer's argument easy to follow. The tone is polite and thoughtful, which is perfect for this type of task. To make the writing flow, the writer uses clear connecting phrases like, my first reason is. Also, and, as a result, the language is accessible for this level, but it includes two strong vocabulary choices, valuable and cooperation. These words add precision to the writer's points.